situation. This is our last session for Smart Up Your Life, Smart Listener. And as usual, at the last session of our program, we would like to share some kind of idioms and vocabularies that you may use on your daily conversation. So, please, guys, who want to share the first vocabulary or idioms?
Well, me.
Woody first.
I want to share an idiom. There's this idiom I really love. It's it's elephant in the room. It means it's some sensitive topic that people are avoiding to talk about. So when the first time I heard this idiom, I thought there was this an elephant in the room.
Oh.
But apparently it has different meanings. So when I know the meaning, I really love the meaning of this
Elephant
idiom.
in the room.
Elephant in the room. It means
So,
some sensitive topic that people avoid to talk about.
okay. Well, another idioms or any vocabulary, maybe Richard? Okay.
Okay,
We
maybe
move to Mr. Richard.
and first, one of the idioms that I'm really like to use is break a leg. So it's not literally, break a leg. It's usually what people say when you want to perform on the stage, or you want to, perform on a competition. Break a leg. It's mean that do your best. Do your the most out of you, and I hope you get lucky.
Okay. Thank you. Another one?
Okay, tonight I will share about two idioms. First is see eye to eye, like we are doing right now. In a sentence, like example, like I'm glad my boss and I see eye to eye about my new salary. It means like you are agree fully or have a similar perspective or attitude. And the second is on the ball. On the ball in the sentence, he's really on the ball and never makes a mistake at work. It means like you are alert and very efficient in your activities. Okay.
You are in a ball.
Yes, of course, on the ball.
Oh, you are on the ball, yeah?
On the ball.
That's maybe describe person who are very efficient,
And alert.
alert. Yeah.
Yes.
Oh, okay. Disciplined
Yeah,
person.
very disciplined.
Okay. Another?
Okay. Alright, I'm gonna share about military time. It's something that a different one with general time. For example, someone says in general 7 o'clock. In military time, we mention 0700 hours.
0700
100 hours.
hour.
Yes.
Oh, yes, yes.
So
yes,
it
yes.
has 24 hours best time. Yeah. In common people say 11 o'clock p.m. In military time, you say 2300 hours. Like that.
Okay. Wait. Okay.
Okay.
Good. Thank you so much.
Thanks so much.
Mrs. Dewi,
Yeah.
maybe? The last one?
Okay, I will bring a vocabulary that is self-time, waktu untuk diri sendiri, boring situation, keadaan yang membosankan, exercising, olahraga, priority, prioritas, positive vibes, getaran positif, dan and appointment, membuat janji.
Okay. So, that's all?
That's all.
Thank you guys. Thank you guys for sharing, and thank you for having a good conversation tonight, and we'll see you again next week. So Rifa Majid signing out. Bye.
Bye.